Hi, honeys. It's Michelle. I'm so excited to see you. I feel like I haven't sat down and talked to you guys in a while. It was just a couple days ago, but is it just me? Does it feel like it was forever ago? Hmm. Anyway, welcome back. Unless it's your first time here. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope that you decide to subscribe and stay a while. I am going to be opening up a Nadine West bag today. I wanted to sit down here while I open it up because they usually have jewelry in there. That way I can try on the jewelry and show it to you up close. And I'll try on whatever clothes they have. So let's see what's in here. What? Oh. These are Sawara Wide Leg Burgundy Pants, and they're $18.99. They look really little to me, but they say they're plus size. A size 2 and plus size. Okay. I mean, they're super pretty. These would be great for work, church, wherever you have to go that's business casual. Now, I'm not normally a wide leg girl, but we'll see how they look. I have this thing where with the weight loss I've been experiencing lately, I still feel like I'm my old size or maybe even a size larger than my old size. I can't accept that I'm a 1X and a 16 now. I keep going to 2X and 18 and then they're too big and then I go down. You might have noticed that when I was trying on last Wednesday, I tried on the bathing suits. They were all extra large or 16 and I was shocked that they fit. And it's like, why are you shocked? You've been losing weight, but I don't know. It's this weird thing. Do you guys have that? Anyway, okay, so then there's this shirt. Oh, this is so cute. I really like this. I feel like this is a spring top. I'm kind of ready for spring. Are you guys? It's like, all right, winter lasted long enough. I'm ready for it to be spring now. Now, this is a 2XL, and it's Yelet brand. Yelte. And it looks like it runs a little bit small. I'm assuming that's why they sent a 2X because I did tell them my new sizes. Or did I? Well, we'll see how it fits. Okay. I don't like this at all, but I will try it on when I'm trying on the clothes. But it's a scarf. It's got like all kinds of different detail on it. To me, this is very fall or winter looking, but also a little bit of weird trivia about me. I do not like scarves or hats. I just don't. I like shawls okay, but scarves and hats, just not my thing. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable in them. I feel like they're not me. And so then I get really insecure when I'm wearing them and I feel like I look like crap because you got to feel like you're rocking what you're wearing, right? So, but I will try it on just to show you how it looks. And this is the Meisha Brown About ABT scarf. And it's $19.99 for this. Oh, I didn't tell you this. This top here is the Gayle denim stripe top, and it's $31.99. And then somebody got the memo that I love t-shirt dresses. There's this cute t-shirt dress. It does have pockets on the sides. Hopefully, I don't feel like it makes my hips look too big, but it's this beautiful kind of a dark peach color. So it feels spring forward. I'm ready for it. And this is Senana Premium in a 2X. I'm starting to think I forgot to tell them that I'm a 1X now. But then again, is it just me? Nadine West clothes tend to fit kind of small, so maybe it'll fit okay. We'll see. This is the Alyssa dress in Ash Rose, and it's $29.99. Then we have this top here, which obviously this is probably supposed to go with those wide leg pants. So that's pretty, isn't it? I like these gauzy tops though, because as you can see, I am very pale and I get blistery rashes from the sun, and I'm allergic to probably 99% of the sunscreen on the market. So instead of wearing sunscreen, I prefer to just wear stuff like this if I'm going to be out in the sun, and then I don't get burnt and it's not as big of a deal. This is Perch brand by Blue Pepper in a 2XL. And it is Marilyn top for $30.99. And then the last clothing item, okay, I can tell you this one I'm not going to keep. If you are a OG of this page, you know that, gosh, it must have been a year ago now because I've been doing this page for a year. My very first fashion box was a Stitch Fix box, and in that box was a shirt that looks just like this. And I kept it, and I wear it all the time, but I don't really need two identical shirts. Super cute, though. Really like it. I will try it on just to show you how it looks. And this is the Bazzolo brand in a 2X. And it's called the Across My Heart top in black, and it's $28.19. On to the jewelry. So the first thing I see jewelry-wise is this. Ooh. Have you guys been watching my videos, Nadine West? Because it's like you're hearing me. I haven't even said what I did and didn't like, and they put another t-shirt dress in here, and they put a silver on gold bracelet in here. I love silver on gold because I have a white gold wedding ring, my engagement band that I don't wear all the time, but that one's also white gold. And then but I like wearing gold too, so when there's a bracelet like this, I feel like it ties all of it together. This is, let me put it on for you here so you can see it. Oh yes, I like this. This is the Kaitlyn bracelet in silver, and it's $7.99. And I feel like you could wear this with everything. Isn't it pretty? I really love this. Gorgeous. Look at this detail even up here. Sorry about my nails. I ran out of time to do my nails. My workday was over, and I thought I was going to have time during my workday to do my nails. I didn't. And I wanted to make this video while I still was chipper and full of energy. So, and then here's this necklace that is in here. It is the Ishvie, Ishvie in silver, and it's $24.99. And I'm in love with this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, am I right? And you could wear it with kind of everything. I love, okay, when things are jewel tone like this, I like wearing them with like a mustard yellow top or a white t-shirt and jeans. I just feel, and then you could also wear it with any of the colors that are on here. This goes, here's the bottom of my bra. It goes down to here. Gosh, I like that. And I could even wear another necklace with it, huh? Isn't that beautiful though? I really like this one. I like how it's nice and long too. they're killing me with this one. This bag, I haven't tried anything on yet, but I'd probably give it like a 4 out of 5 stars. And the only reason I would give it 4 instead of 5 is I hate scarves. That's it. Otherwise, it'd be 5 out of 5. That and everything is the wrong size. But either I forgot to tell them or the entire bag, all these clothes are small, like run small, which is very possible. Okay, I'm gonna go try on the clothes. The first item is the scarf. And I'm just wearing my clothes that I already had on when I started filming this. So with these scarves, I guess, let's see here, since I'm not a scarf person, I don't know, I guess you could wrap it around like this if you wanted. Or you could wear it like this. Here it is up close. This first top is so cute. It's just got me ready. It's got me ready for spring already. I really like it. What do you guys think? Pretty though. Isn't this a pretty color too? Love it. Here's the black crisscross one. This one I feel like I can kind of see through it a little bit, so. And this one feels a little bit loose. Like I feel like I could go down to a 1X in this. Whereas the last shirt that I had on, I feel like a 2X was the perfect size. And now I'm in the dress. This one goes below my knee. So I'm not sure. I don't think that the pockets are as bad on this one. I don't feel like they make my hips look larger. Of course, I guess another thing is with something like this, I could probably just wear a belt. That'd be kind of cute, huh? And usually with these, I like to wear leggings, especially, you know, those capri cut leggings. I just love wearing those with a dress like this. So I wonder if that might be kind of cute though, right? With a belt, cinch it in a little bit. So give me your opinion on this one, because I'm kind of on the fence. Should I keep it or shouldn't I? This is the last outfit. It's, now I can't believe it. These pants actually fit. So they've got this little belt here in the front. I don't know. What do you think? Does it look okay? Maybe not with this top though, huh? Is it just me? I don't know if I like the top. And the top, oddly enough, it's a 2X, but it feels tight, especially if I go like this. So here's what the pants look like. And they're a wide leg. No pockets. So I'm on the fence about this too. Let me know what you think about these pants. I'm definitely not really feeling this top. But let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.